Today, guys, we're going to actually be working on Elmer's metallic slime kit. I am so excited. Look at the color of that slime. I cannot wait to see the texture. So where we're going to start is I'm going to show you everything that came in this box. First, it came with the metallic glue. You absolutely need to have your glue. Then it came with the magical liquid, because that's where all the magic happens. And then you get a box and it comes with instructions. So one thing you want to grab before you start is 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this 5-ounce metallic glue, this beautiful color. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. And we are going to dump all of this glue out into our container. You guys see that? You want to make sure that you get everything out there. It's like at school when the glue starts to run out and you're shaking the bottle wildly to get it out. If that happens, you can always kind of twist it off there for a sec. Put the cap back on and bang. I wouldn't recommend your hand because, well, that would not feel good, but you bang it down and you have more to push out. You can do this as many times as you need. It is really making me work hard to get this glue out. Okay, we're getting there. It's not all out. So definitely a challenge to be aware of, but nothing that you can't overcome. We're gonna go ahead and put that glue back on again and shake it out. Last try to see what happens. And it looks like it. Okay, we did it. Got to the trail end. Good job, guys, for waiting with me. Now we're going to take this magical liquid, we're going to open it gently because we don't want to make a mess with it everywhere, and we are going to need this whole thing. But you're going to start out with a teaspoon. So that's the smaller of the two. And you're just going to dump 1 and 2. Good. So here we're going to mix it, mix really well. Get it going. Okay. Now, see how it's like super liquidy? It'll get better, don't worry, guys. So we're gonna take this out of the teaspoon because now we're done with the teaspoon. We're gonna take the tablespoon, which is the big one of the two, and we're gonna pour it. See, my fingers are messy. It's have fun with it. Don't worry about it. You can pour the rest. There should be 2 tablespoons, I believe. Okay, maybe 3. Oh my goodness, maybe 4. Okay. Now, I actually would set that aside, and don't be afraid to get your hands messy. You're gonna need it all at a time. Talk about slime. This is like snot slime. Look at this. It like lumps out. Super yucky. Okay, just keep kneading it. Mush, mush, mush. Okay. make sure when you have this on your hands that you do not touch your face. That could be pretty ouchy, especially if there's alcohol in the chemical. So I think at this point, we need more glue. So we didn't get all the glue out of here, but look how beautiful that looks with the unicorn. So we'll go back here, see if there's anything left to get from here. And worst case scenario, I'm actually thinking about cutting this open, but we'll see. Yep, maybe. Okay, I'll be right back. So, I don't know if you guys can see that in there a little bit. There is just enough in there, and I am wondering how I can get it out to put towards our magical liquid, because we need more the balance to be close. Muscles. Okay, we got a little bit more. Maybe even more. Ugh, it just suctions. It doesn't want to come out of there. Look how messy that is and sticky. This is where your slime comes from. So we will continue to mix just a little bit. And this is going to be one of the less thicker ones. It's definitely going to be more slimy. It literally slips out of my hand. Look how beautiful that is. It's messy. It doesn't stay together, but it doesn't fall apart easily either. Strings. This reminds me kind of like a gum or a candy, like in process, where it's on that spindle wheel that kind of turns it. Yep, so not a fan of the imbalance of chemicals, but it's not bad. I mean, if you're wanting to have an easy kit to use at home, this is a good thing to start with. It's fun, the texture is different, and the color is absolutely beautiful. I love it. So if you like what you saw here today and you want to see different slimes and how they come together, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and follow me to see more. I'll see you next time.